Good morning, I'm meteorologist Pete Mangione, and the weather is not so good out there on the Saturday. We'll see rain falling at times, and it could be especially heavy from the middle to the later part of the afternoon. Some thunderstorms cannot be ruled out, and with some of these downpours rolling in through later, there may be some isolated pockets of localized street flooding and things like that. You can see the wind's not a big deal early, and even throughout the day, it's not expected to be super windy, but some gusts of 20 or 25 miles an hour possible late afternoon through this evening, and that will put a little bit of a chill in the air along with the falling rain. I think the windier of the two weekend days will actually come on Sunday. So today, some scattered showers around, or I should say more widespread showers around at noontime. Notice how they could pick up in intensity later on this afternoon. This is around 4 p.m. And even through the 7 or 8 p.m. hour, likely still some showers around. Could be heavy towards Cape Cod and the islands. By midnight, partly cloudy skies clearing things out, and then Sunday looks dry, but again, some gusts over 30 miles an hour are possible. We'll have to keep an eye on that Sunday wind situation. We'll let you know if any wind advisories end up being posted. I want to fast forward now to Tuesday, or Monday night, I should say. This is around 8 p.m. Now, Monday overnight into Tuesday morning, I think pretty much all of our area cold enough to support the precipitation falling as snow, so we could get a brief coating of snow Tuesday morning. And if this comes through with a little bit more of a punch, we could even get a coating of snow and even some snow-covered roads on Tuesday morning. We still are expecting to flip over to rain showers late morning into the early afternoon, but obviously we still have to iron out this part of the forecast, as any little change in track or intensity could change that forecast of what we're expecting Tuesday and Wednesday. And it's possible we could see some lingering rain or snow showers on Wednesday. Again, that midweek part of the forecast, very uncertain, but with at least the chance of some snow in the forecast there, we'll be monitoring that part of the forecast carefully. In the meantime, have a great Saturday.